excitement right now around the record speed vaccines for COVID-19, some of which are already starting distribution in parts of the world. But given that these are mRNA vaccines, a relatively new technology that has not been widely used before.
Good morning to all. This is Divya, Department of CSE. I am from Data Science Special Lab. Today, I am going to present one of the product developed from our Data Science Lab, an effective COVID-19 vaccine distribution plan using machine learning. So, according to the healthworld.com, they have introduced a problem statement like COVID-19 vaccine distribution faces logistic and supply chain challenges. And while the government is facing lots of issues while distributing the vaccines to the people, so initially they have a plan to distribute the vaccines to the frontline fighters. So the challenges is maintain the vaccine in minus 70 degrees Celsius in a container and identifying the distribution center, and preferences is based on the affected cases in a particular area. So these three challenges are facing by every government. So according to our problem statement, I am going to consider two things. The first one is an identifying the distribution center, and the second one is preferences based on the affected cases in a particular area. So this is the data set which was created, district, status and population census, and this is collected from the census data, and corona affected cases is collected from some other data sets. So when combining these two data sets, the new data set is created. So according to the values in the data set, first the distribution centers are identified based on the algorithm which is k-means clustering. So by applying the k-means clustering, the areas will be clustered based on the distance and the severity. So the first preferences is given to the most affected people in a particular area. So initially the high preferences, first preferences, second preferences is based on the clustering. And these are all the areas which is clustered under high preferences. And this is used to display the correlation between the population census and corona affected cases. And finally, based on the correlations, we can able to rank the districts in Tamil Nadu based on the severity and distance. So according to that, Chennai is the first place. We have to consider the Chennai peoples with more care. And the second place is Karur, and third place is Krishnagiri. So based on the severity, distance, and the correlations between the features, we can able to easily identify the distribution centers in the Tamil Nadu. So this is our project, and we have submitted these projects to the Scopus Index Journal, and so many project proposals were submitted. And we hope this plan will be helpful to our Tamil Nadu government to predict the distribution center, and we can consider the peoples based on the severity. Thank you.